Hello, what's up? Welcome to episode 36 or 7. I'm not sure. Sorry I didn't make a video yesterday. Not that anyone really probably noticed, but yeah, 37. Okay. I've been resetting my computer, man. I had to reset my computer. I had like hella crazy storage, like it was insane. I had files on it from 5 years ago. I tried to clean it up a few months ago, but I could never get the storage up. But luckily now it looks pretty good. I got a shit ton of stuff in my downloads here that I've been installing. Let's recycle all that. Yeah, see you later, bro. Yeah, everything looks good, but the recycle bin's not opening, so I don't know what's going on here, but man, yeah, I was gonna say my computer's a lot faster now, but maybe not. No, I'm joking. There's just probably a shit ton of files in here. Anyway, yeah. So we're gonna do. Let's see what our Pokemon of the day is. A Vulpix. I think that is a evolution. I think no, it's not. No, it's not. It's not. I have played Pokemon. It's not. It's the big reindeer or whatever is the next one. Is the evolution Ninetales or something? I think. To Vulpix. Wait. Vulpix sound. Let's check it out. Man, I'm deleting so many files, right? I don't even know how to do it, but that's okay. But yeah, episode 37. It's been a little bit since we oh, it looks good. Let's check out our storage now. Yeah, it looks about 166. We saved 20 gigs of storage right there. But yeah, yeah. So it's been a few days. Maybe we can go over a little bit. Let's check out what we got going on here. Rotate list. We got removal adjacent strings. Kind of want to do a stack. Which one should we do? Let's do removal substrings between each pairs of parentheses. Okay. C++, we want Python. There goes the cat meowing again. Let's go. Anyway. Reverse substrings between each pair of parentheses. You're given a string S that consists of lowercase English character letters and brackets. Reverse the strings in each pair of matching parentheses starting from the innermost one. Your results should not contain any brackets. Okay, so what do we got here? We got... So pretty much we just want to remove the reverse substrings between each pair of parentheses. Okay, I understand. So here we would reverse love is reversed. Substring love is reversed first and the whole string is reversed. Check out our hints, find all the brackets in the string. The order does not matter. Any brackets. I'm thinking, like, you see a bracket, you reverse. For char in S. Char is equal to a... Char is equal to a bracket. Let's initialize our stack. Stack is equal to this. Initialize stack. Let's guarantee that all parentheses are balanced. Find all brackets in the string. Everything's default. Feels so weird. Everything's so different, man. I can just tell. Anyway. Okay. So we have our stack here, right? I need to stand up, man. Make it straight. Oh, jeez. Okay, we have our stack, right? We want to loop through with our 4, right? Each value, so we append to the stack. So we append this to the stack, right? Let's check if the stack, so if there's something in the stack, right? And char let's check out our and we got 18 views, man. Damn. We did this about 3 days ago. Let's check it. Take a look at there. Box. Thinking, how would we reverse the string, right? We would pop these here, and when we see a number, we would create that string. We would create that string, reverse it, and then what? I don't know if that's the best way to do it. Like, Okay. Substring. Char is equal to if stack and char is equal to stacked up pop. And we go stacked up pop. And we do a while. Stack minus 1 does not equal this. Does not equal this. We stacked up. So 2 is equal to this pops the bracket. Alright. Temp 2 is equal to stacked up pop. And we create our reverse array. I guess I'll call it that. Array to reverse. Do we just like reverse array append No, this doesn't do it properly. It goes char and s, we append, right? So it'll append this one. Then it's going to stack.pop. And then while stack minus 1 does not equal this, it's going to keep going, which is infinite. It's not going to work properly. We need to do... Bro, this fucking cat, bro. Oh my gosh, so annoying. One second. Is she still meowing? Stack minus 1. So we need to do something where stack, we have an array, temp array to reverse string. No, this is wrong. If char does not equal closing parenthesis, right? If you think about it, we loop through this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and we see this. Then we pop all the way here, and then we clean it up the thing, right? We go here, see this, we reverse this, go here, reverse all this. No, bro. We want that a pen shot, right? That'll append all that stuff. I think we need to go from the back, bro. Like, else if char is equal to a front array, then find all the brackets in the string. In 2, does the order matter? The order does not matter. teleportation technique. Keeps all the prototype questions. Wake up, Julie, the July Leetcoders. How the hell do you do this for me, bro? Character is a closing parenthesis. See what a stack dot pop. Stack -1. Stack -1 does not equal. Temp dot. Alright, reverse array dot end temp. Then we can reverse a string. Reverse array dot reverse. Turn stack. Oh my gosh, bro. No network error, dude. What the hell? Why am I getting a network error, dude? Reverse array is not reset between different. You're using a single reverse array list. Oh, I need to clear the array. Well, it's pretty close actually. I just got to move these reverse array dog. What? For what? How does it reverse? If char does not equal this, stack that offend char. Else if char is equal to this, we create the reverse way, while stack minus 1 does not equal this. Bro, where is it reversing? We pop characters from the stack. Oh, one by one until we find this. These characters are stored in reverse order, which means they're collected in reverse order automatically. Didn't think about that, bro. Last in first step. There was no. Okay. Let's think about this, right? So we have our for char, right? Okay, let's do our basic one. Let's do this one. Actually, let's get rid of this for char. Okay. Our string is A, B, C, D, right? Okay, for char and S, if char does not equal the end, we keep going. So we keep adding, right? We have our bracket here. We have our A. We have our B. We have our C. And then we have our D. Okay. Right. So then, Okay. All right. Anyway. Okay. This is our stack, right? We get to this value here, right? The char is equal to this. Then we create our reverse array. Our reverse array automatically resets every single time because of the scope here, because we're inside the elif statement. Then, while our top of our stack does not equal the front parenthesis, we temp is equal to stack.pop, we add to our reverse array, right? So this is our array here. Right, we're going to automatically add, so we add D, C, B, A. It automatically reverses here, so that's why we don't need the dot reverse, right? Because the stack automatically reverses it. We pop the extra one here, right? So we popped here, we popped here, we popped here, we popped here, and then we pop here. And then we do stack.extend reverse.array, and we add it all back to the stack. And the reason why we don't do append, which is what I was looking up just then, is because if we append to our stack, right, this is our new stack with nothing in it. If we append, then I think it's going to append like A, B, C, and D, right? Like all together as one. But instead with the extend, right, the extend, it iterates over each value, so it adds the values like this, right? I'm sure if we do that here, we do dot append. Let's see what it returns. List found, yeah. About extend. Interesting. Definitely an interesting problem. Let's see if this pushes, because I think I gotta authenticate again. Option. Repository to check my GitHub. It's called Leetcode. There we go. Nice, 261 commits. Let's go. Okay. Our next creator element. Given a circular integer array nums, i.e. the next element of nums is num0, return the next greater element for every element in nums. I'm confused here. Hang on. Regular integer array, i.e. the next element. The next greater element of a number x is the first greater number to its traversing order next in the array, which means you could search circularly to find its next greater element. If it doesn't exist, return -1 for this number. One, two, one. So here we put 2. Here, since there's no next greater number, we put -1. Here it would be 2 because we've already seen 2. Why we gonna look at this? But for this one, it would be 2. We have 2 here. We'd have 3 here. That's the next greatest number. We'd have 3 here. We'd have 4 here. We'd have -1. And then we'd have 4. 2, 3, 4, -1, 4. Yeah, okay. I understand the problem. Let's check our discussion here. Yeah, that's what I was thinking actually, but you know, maybe we might do both ways. We'll solve it using an array, and then we'll solve it. So, oh. Look, what I need, bro, is I need like a Python mousepad, bro, with all the Python mousepad cheat sheet, bro. Dude, yes, bro. This is what I need. Oh my gosh, dude. Okay, wait. Oh. Python string is digit, lower, upper, yeah. Python set. Bro, what is going on here, bro? Okay. Let's do unums is equal to nums times 2. Print unums. Okay, that worked. Okay. Alright, so circular array, right? Then we loop through each number. We want to create our new list. Let's create our res array, right? We create a new array. And then we loop over each value, so for num in new nums. Maybe we could use a dictionary for this actually. Can we? For num in new nums. New if num if Here's I, but I can stand it if new nums I if I is less than new nums I plus 1, then that's its next greatest element. You do res.append new nums I plus 1. Plus 1. Else res.append new nums I plus 1 plus 1 and -1. I don't know how this is gonna work. This is gonna go through rule 6 actually. 2, -1, 2. I'm just gonna say whenever there's do nothing more, just create a new array with size double the original array and just copy the original array twice in the new array, so we can do the circular array traversal thing with no back pointer, easy. This sort of pen -1 return res. And I don't know how to do this last part. I don't know this edge case. I have to fix the box edge case. Bro, showing me the stack method. I'm gonna do that next. I don't want to see the stack method. What do I got here? I got n is the length of nums as -1 times n. For I in range 2 times n -1 -1 -1 while stack. Bro. I don't want to see the stack solution, dude. Oh, another stack. Okay, this is the one I think. Bro, holy shit, dude. See, I think we can maybe use this. Who's on a pen? The length of let's check it out. Let me try this. I don't know if this will work. Let's go dictionary, right? We loop through this and we create a dictionary. Equal to 1. Do an else if here. Else if we just need to do this one side thing. So I think we do else if stack, else if nums I plus 1. I plus 1 is greater than the length of the last number in an array. I don't know if this is gonna work, bro. I don't know what I'm doing here. Then if unums I is greater than if keys is greater than any value in is equal to nums I plus 1 and new nums I plus 1 is this is so wrong, bro. Like, there's no way this works. For value in mydiv.keys and res.append key. Bro, I don't know if this is actually a thing. Like, can you do a for loop in a if? I don't think this is possible, but oh, you can. Okay, wait. I'm so stupid. Why didn't I do this? For key in my_div.keys if new nums I plus 1 is equal to key, then res.append key. Case. And we can do else here. Res.append -1. Set the result. What the fuck is going on here? If Oh, dude, that's what I'm doing here. Jeez. Expected -1. That's definitely a better way to do it. I check here if I is equal to the length of nums -1. Dude, man, this method sucks, dude. Like, bro. I'm trying to do it. I think this is O of N. Then again, I guess technically is O. Print the key here. Bro. She's not even entering this loop, dude. Is it even entering this? Like, what if I make it its own? Damn, bro. It's just that edge case, bro. Like, oh my gosh, dude. I have to figure it out. Like, oh my gosh, dude. I just know that that statement isn't triggering properly. I just don't know why. Oh, it's so frustrating. Times. I'm gonna give up on it, bro. I'm gonna do it in an all event squared way. We got the dictionary, the res array. Use length. I guess nums if unums j is greater than unums I, then res I is equal to unums j. This shit's pissed me off, dude. Like, should be the length of nums here. Actually, we don't have output. Let's return our res. What's wrong here? If new norms j is greater than... Oh my god, dude. Okay, we're getting something now. 2, -1, 2, 3. What the fuck? Unum is equal to new norms I plus 1. There we go. Such a shitty solution. It probably won't even pass, bro. No, it's gonna have a... Oh, fuck. Oh, what the fuck is this, dude? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. This test case, dude. What is it giving me here? If new norms j is equal to new norms I plus 1. I'm not sure, bro. Oops, we should start from the next value. Jesus. Break. Let's try this. Oh. Oh, oh, oh. Oh, thank God. Jeez. Finally, bro. That took way too long, bro. Trying to make it way too complicated earlier. Open squared approach. Okay. Now we're going to use the optimized approach, what's meant to be with a stack. Okay. So stack is equal to this. Alright. I think we can get rid of this circular array. I think. We might have to go back to it. Initialize our stack. Right. get rid of all this crap. Okay. Now we actually gotta think about this. I should think about this because, okay, we looked through this, right? We had values. So we had our first value 1. I guess we can check if stack minus 1 we use a stack here. Oh man, I'm hungry, bro. I'm hungry. Let's go to the store. Great element 1, 2. Okay. I guess our res can just be normal. Let's create a circular array of so nums2 is equal to nums times 2, right? Create that circular array. Let's actually print that really quick. Print nums2. Just want to make sure. Okay, alright. So then we do for char in nums2. What I'm thinking is that we have our circular array, right? So in this case we have 1, 2, 1, 1, 2, 1, 1, 2, 1, right? Have our circular array. Oh my gosh. And we add values, right? So we add our first value, 1. Then we compare, it's 2 greater than our current, right? If it is, we pop. And then we append our current number 2 to the array. And we add it to the stack, right? Then we check, is this value greater than this one? No, it's not. Then we skip over it. Is this value greater? Is the next value greater? If not, then if the next value is greater than the stack, then we add -1. Then we pop. We add 1. Is 1 greater than this? Is 1 greater than the next value? If not, then we add 2. Fuck, what do we add here? Add 2. Fuck, I don't think that works, dude. For check if char is greater. Stack.append, right? Else if else if stack, if stack, there is something in the stack, and stack minus 1 is greater than char is greater than stack minus 1. We append it. We append our stack.append. Sorry. Temp is equal to stack.pop res.append stack.pop. It's not going to work, bro, because then again we have an issue to get to the last value. How the fuck do we know? I don't even know, dude. Those arrays just -1 times the length of that. Okay. Char in range 0 to 2 times nums, right? 2 times the length of nums. But we need another thing in there. Good. Okay. Then we have our while stack, and the top of our stack -1 is less than nums I. percent the length of nums. So this is doing, what this is doing is checking while the stack is not empty. While the stack has something in it, the stack is not empty, that's what I said. And nums stack -1, the top of the stack is less than the nums of I percent length nums to make the original array's indices in the first pass. Index is equal to stack.pop res index is equal to nums I percent length nums if I is less than the length of nums stack.pop return our res. Fuck, dude. Stack. Bro, what am I doing? Stack.append. Jeez. Sure. Okay. This loops through each value to a length of two times nums, right? While stack is not empty and the top of the stack is less than what is this doing? Expression nums child like second behavior. Trying to think here. While stack and num stack -1 is less than nums child percent nums index equal to stack.pop. Num stack -1 is equal to num 0 Second nature refs around for each element. I think we just got to go through the code, bro. Honestly, I think that's what we got to do. We got to go through this code. I'm getting confused with this part here. I'm not good with wraparounds, so it's like, bro, like when these come around, like I get so freaking confused. Like, oh my gosh, dude. Okay, so we got our stack, right? We have our res array, which is, I'm going to put this up here. Res is equal to -1, -1, -1. Okay. Then we have our stack. So for char and 0 to 2 times the length of nums. So 2 times the length of nums is, in this case, the length of nums is 3, so 6. Okay, whilst yeah, or 5 or whatever, same thing. Anyway, okay. So our first pass here for I is equal to 0. So for char, I is equal to 0. If char is, it's not going to go through this because the stack is empty. If char is less than the length of nums, then we're going to append char. Okay, we're appending the index. Okay, so we're appending the index, so we append 0. Right? Yeah. Okay, we append 0. Then we go through and our I is equal to 1. While stack and nums stacked minus 1. So our stack, num 0 is 1 in this case. So we have 1 is less than nums char. So our nums char percent length nums. So our, Jesus, bro. So nums char is 1%, the 1% 5, I think, right? 1 modulo 5 is 1. Bro, I have to make sure what I'm doing is right. Like numbers 3. Okay. Alright, whatever. So it must be 2 times the length of nums, right? 6. Okay. Okay. Anyway. So let's get back here. Anyway, so we're looking at 0 is less than nums 1. So sorry, this is 1. So 1 is, yes, 1 is less than 2. Okay, so then we pop from our stack, res index, so then our res index, so our res 0, which is here, is equal to nums char percent nums. So our char is, again, we're looking at 1, so we're going to append 2 here. And 2 here. So then our next loop is we're going to go for I is equal to 2. So if char is less than the length of nums, which it is, we're going to append to our stack, right? So we're going to append 2. So our second value. Then we're going to check, and we're going to go for I is equal to 3. For I is equal to 3 now. While stack and num stack minus 1, so num stack, so nums 2, which is here. Nums 2, which is 1, technically. 1 is less than nums char. Nums char In this case, we have 3, so we're doing 3%. 3. 3%. 3. 3 modulus 3. What is 3 modulo 3? 0. Is less than num 0. So we got, what do we have? We have 1 and modulo 0 is 1. So we don't have anything. Since the stack is not empty. Is less than nums 1, 2. So we pop the stack and set res 0 is equal to 2. Stack is empty. Push index 1 onto the stack. Oh, okay, right. So we missed that. Whoops. Fucking didn't push onto the stack properly. So again, at the end of this, like, we didn't do this if statement here. So again, I fucked up. So we need to push 1 onto the stack here, right? Then we go through, we do push 1 onto the stack. We have I is equal to 2, right? So okay, so for I is equal to 2, we have our stack isn't empty. So while stack and num stack minus 1 is less than num stack minus 1, so we're at 1, so nums 1 is 2, is less than nums 2 is less than nums char percent nums char in this case we have 2, so 2% the length of nums 2% 3 we got nums char in this case is 2, we got percent the length of nums 3, which is 2, so we got num stack minus 1, which is 2 in this case. 2 is greater than 1, so now we don't enter this loop. Then we just, if length is less than this, then we append, right? So we append 2 to our stack. Okay. Now we do our second pass, I is equal to 3 to 5. So I is equal to 3. So I percent, so we're at I is equal to 3 now, right? While stack, yep, and num stack minus 1 and stack minus 1. So we got 2 now in our stack, so we got 1 in this case. So 1 is less than nums char percent num stack 1. 1 in this case is less than nums char. So char is 3%, 3, so we have 0 modulus. Since the stack is not empty and nums stack minus 1 is equal to nums 2, which is equal to 1, is less than nums 0 is equal to 1, no change. We push 3 onto the stack. Push index 3 onto the stack. Stack 1, 2, 0. Char 3 is less than, where are we pushing onto the stack? Push index 3. I equals I percent like nums is equal to 4% is equal to 1. No update is made here because the stack remains 1, 2. I equals I percent 3. 5% 3 is equal to 2. No change occurs here. Final res after passes 2, negative 1, 2. Where are we appending? Bro, what the stacks are so confusing, bro. Like, oh my god, dude. Why do they make this so confusing? Nums stack minus 1 is equal to nums 2 Bro, there's literally like 6 lines of fucking code in this problem, bro, and it's like so difficult to follow. Like, this is just so confusing for me. Like, we loop through this while stack is not empty, and the top of the stack is while stack and num stack minus 1. Right. While stack and num stack minus 1 is less than Alright guys, it's been a while. It's been about an hour and 43 minutes. Jeez. Okay. I'm going to leave it at that. This was a little confusing. I'm pretty sure I understand what's going on, but like, it's tough, you know, like. Anyway, yeah, I appreciate you guys watching. I will see you tomorrow.